Hello, Milliconers! My name is Victoria. I'm a volunteer in the 100 FSS marketing, and today we're gonna be doing a delicious, amazing, easy recipe. It's named loaded potato, and you just need a few ingredients. I'm gonna show you what I use in my recipe, in my dish, but you can change it. It's totally changeable. So basically the ingredients are a potato, a protein. You can use bacon turkey as I'm using right now. You have other options like ground turkey, ground meat, jerk chicken. You can also reheat leftover. It's totally doable. Also, we're gonna be using onions, mushrooms, corn, and cheese. This gonna be so easy. First, you're gonna cut the potato in half in the middle of the potato, and then you're gonna wrap it with aluminum paper and put it aside in the oven. Then you can put it there at 220 Fahrenheit, which is the maximum of my oven. This potato specifically took me like 40 minutes in the oven. But while the potato is cooking, we're gonna be doing our fillings. Here we have the other ingredients. What I'm gonna do is to cut and cook everything that needs to be cut and cook it. I'm gonna do the bacon. The turkey bacon, I'm gonna put it in the stove and I'm gonna cook it in the stove with a little bit of olive oil. I cut it in pieces, random pieces. If you want to be more perfectionist, you can cut it in squares. The smaller the pieces, the best. Cut your onions also. These onions are gonna put half raw and half cooked to have more options. Some people like the crunchiness of the raw onions. I do like, but I also like the sweetness and the flavor of the onions cooked. Now I'm shredding the cheese. I'm gonna shred some cheese here so I can sprinkle some cheese, delicious, in my potato when it's ready. And the mushrooms. I'm definitely cooking these mushrooms for give it this nice brown color that I love in the mushrooms. And that's it. What I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna put all the fillings in separate bowls. If you have any guests in your homes that don't eat any specific ingredient, like for example potato, like onions, or someone that don't eat meat, it's perfectly doable for them to just pick what they like and put it in his own potato. Okay, now our potato is ready. So what we're gonna do is to open our steaming hot potato. Delicious. I'm gonna take a fork and I'm gonna mash the inside of the potato. I'm gonna be adding my bacon turkey and the other ingredients in there. I'm gonna put the cheese on it. This looks amazing. I like to mix all the inside of the potato. So every bite I take from this have all the ingredients. When the potato is well cooked, you can even eat the skin of the potato, which is amazing. So yeah, this was my recipe. I hope you like it. I hope you enjoy it. I hope you try at home. And I hope you enjoy all the other recipes in the Mildecon and all the other videos we have for you guys, and challenges and competition and everything. Okay guys, this is all from me now. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed the recipe. I hope you try at home. Super easy, super delicious. Believe me, you won't regret it. Bye bye.